Hello guys, in this video let's try to understand CIDR, that is CIDR notation, with examples. So guys, actually I was not sure whether I should create this video, but I just thought of creating this video so that we have a clear understanding of CIDR notation. So using CIDR notation we can decide how many IP addresses we get, that is IP address range, and clear understanding of the CIDR notation is required because when we create VNET or subnet, we provide the IP address range, that is the number of IP address we need, and we provide it using CIDR notation only. Okay, and now again we have this IP address, that is 100.8.0.0, and the bit representation of this 100 is this one, this 8 is this one, 0 again all 0, 0 again all 0. Now how we convert this IP address in these bits, I am not going to repeat it again, as we have already discussed it in our previous video. Okay, now let's try to understand this first example of CIDR notation. So you see it is 100.8.0.0/24. so again this /24, it means that for this IP address range, ignore the first 24 digits or the first 24 bits. That means those first 24 bits, those will be constant. So in this case, if you see these 8 bits, these 8 bits and these 8 bits, they will be constant. So that means 100.8.0, it will be constant. So our IP address range, it will be 100.8.0. so again 100.8.0, it will be constant. The only variable component will be this last 8 bits. So again you see these last 8 bits, they can be from 0 to 255, right? So the range, it can be 100.8.0.0, then 100.8.0.1. see guys, again guys, this 100.8.0, it is constant up to 100.8.0.255. so you see total we get 256 IP addresses. So it's because first 24 bits in that IP address range, they will be constant. Okay, the only variable will be this one. And again you see those 8 bits at max, they represent 0 to 255 addresses. So if you are not understood it, that's okay. Let's try to understand it with some other example. So again this is /26. let me take some other color. Now this /26, it means first 26 bits, they should be ignored. So the only part we get is these remaining 6 bits, right? And now these 6 bits, they at max, they can represent from 0 0 0 0 0 0 to max, it can be 1 1 1 all 1. that means 6 ones. Okay, so if you see this 60, it means 0, and these 6 ones, they means again we need to find the position of this. So this one, it is 0 position, this one is 1, this one is 2 position, this one 3, this one 4, and this one 5. so it will be 2 raised to 5 plus 2 raised to 4 plus 2 raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 2 plus 2 raised to 1 plus 1. So it comes out 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32. So it comes out 63. So the range can be 0 to 63. So here you can see the IP address range, it can be 100.8.0.0 up to 100.8.0.63. so total we get 64 IP addresses. Now even still you have any doubt, let's try to understand this third example. Okay, so again let me use some other color. So again you see first 28 bits, they will be ignored. So the only bit we have is last 4 bits. See this, and if you have this last 4 bits, that means the max range we get is from 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. Again this 0 means 0, and these ones, again let's find the position. So it 0, this is first position, this is second, this is third. So it's 1, and this first position means 2 raised to 1, second position means 2 raised to 2, third means 2 raised to 3. So it comes out 2 raised to 3, 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that means 15. So we get from 0 to 15. So the range will be 100.8.0.0 to 100.8.0.15. So that means total we get 16 IP addresses. So that's it guys about CIDR notation. So thanks for listening.